TOKO is a platform used to tokenize assets. Why would you want to do this? Some call it the democratization of assets. You turn illiquid assets into investable opportunities. And with tokenization, you can fractionalize the initial investment amount, which reduces the capital requirements for new entrants, making it easier to raise capital. How do you do this? John manages hundreds of securities, among them real estate assets. Today, he's planning to tokenize them. He starts by logging into TOKO. The home dashboard greets him with previous issuances. By clicking onto a token, there's an at-a-glance overview, a transactions history tab, a source of truth of the token's on-chain history, and the redemptions tab, used for debt cycle tokens and for resets or cancellations. Today, the job is creating a new token that his team and legal counsel has been working on in tandem. Issuance is straightforward with TOKO. It involves embedding data digitally onto the token and the public network protocol. To start, he hits the Token Creation Process tab. He picks the best standard for his needs. Next, it's choosing the asset class, which influences what data is required, and deciding the compliance category. This sets the groundwork for tokenization. Step 2 is entering token details, things like name, trading symbol, supply amounts, prices, everything which relates to the public-facing token information. Step 3 is the asset class details, type of instrument, description of class, any information around the company, basically the specific details of this asset class. These details change depending on the asset. This also includes things like currency, yield, payouts, return structure, bond duration, rating, and the like. Now step 4 is token metadata. Here, PDF and doc files can help to fill in the details, like contractual obligation, covenants, and the like. While key value pairs allow more metadata to be customized if necessary. And all sensitive data is permission-based, only available on a need-to-know basis. All files uploaded are SHA-512 encrypted, the highest standard of security. Step 5 is verification before submitting for approval. Once submitted, it's up to Zara, who's a legal professional and, in this case, administrator. Upon logging into her admin dashboard, she sees tokens awaiting approval. She hits review. After checking the data once, twice, 3 times, she sees everything looks good. She can also set up an ITIN, bringing accredited third parties into the token data, giving investors higher confidence around its authenticity. Now, her job is done. To finish, John logs back into his issuer account and gets ready to issue his approved token. Since Zara reviewed and approved it, all that remains is John clicking Deploy, and it's on the public network. To confirm, he uses the transaction state proof to verify the token contract has been deployed on the public network protocol. Now his real estate assets are digitalized in token form, making it faster, cheaper, and easier to fundraise outside of traditional capital cycles. And everything is managed through the distributed digital ledger, with no additional work required from John. That's how simple and easy tokenizing assets is with TOKO.